Hey guys, I'm in the process of installing retrofitting LED puck lights to my house. I had actually already installed a few, but the drywall was making a huge mess. First because I was using a combination knife and saw, and the second because I was trying to catch the dust with the garbage bag. So to improve on both parts of my project, I got a large hole saw that matches my lights and this dust catching bowl. It was worth every penny. I got it for just shy of $20, and I think as of right now it's going for 18. They must be running a sale or something. I'll have it and the other tools and the lights I'm using up in the description. You can see it is rigid enough to seal against the ceiling, but has enough flex to it so you can push the drill up. And a tip for anyone giving this a shot, run the drill in reverse. The hole saw is so big it wants to grab and run away on you, but in reverse it still cuts, though slower, but without catching and jumping around. So if this helps you out, do me a favor by liking and subscribing, and good luck with whatever project you're working on.